In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix slow download and upload speeds on Google Drive. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive into this issue, because slow upload and download speeds can be super frustrating, especially when you're trying to get important files shared or backed up. The good news is that there are several strategies you can employ to get your Google Drive speeds back on track. The first thing to check is your internet connection. I recommend using an online speed test tool, like speedtest.net, to assess your connection's speed and stability. A fast and stable internet connection is crucial for smooth file uploads and downloads, so make sure you have satisfactory results before proceeding. Next, if you're attempting to upload large files, consider compressing them. Large files can significantly slow down the transfer process. There are many free online compression tools available, which can help to reduce the size of your files. Once you shrink those files down, you'll likely notice that the upload process is much quicker. Now let's talk about adjusting your Google Drive settings. This is a straightforward step, but it can make a big difference. To do this, start by clicking on the gear icon located in the upper right corner of Google Drive to open the Settings menu. One key adjustment to make is to ensure that the option Convert Uploaded Files to Google Docs Editor Format is unchecked. When this option is enabled, it can increase the processing time for uploads, leading to slower speeds. By disabling it, you can help expedite the upload process, allowing your files to be added faster to your drive. If you're still experiencing sluggish speeds, it may be a good idea to try a different web browser. Sometimes, certain browsers can have performance issues with Google Drive. So, if you're currently using Chrome, consider switching to Firefox, Safari, or Edge to see if your loading speed improves. Another thing to check is your browser extensions. While we love the convenience these add-ons provide, they can occasionally conflict with web applications, impacting performance. Temporarily disabling your extensions can help determine if one of them is causing the slow speeds. If your uploads improve after disabling them, you might need to selectively enable each one to pinpoint which is causing the issue. Timing is everything. If possible, consider uploading your files during off-peak hours. Internet traffic is usually lighter during the day and late at night. Conversely, evenings and weekends tend to be busier times, which can slow down your upload speeds significantly due to increased demand. For an even more reliable connection, I highly recommend using a wired connection. Simply connect your computer directly to your router using an Ethernet cable. This setup generally provides a more stable and faster internet connection than standard Wi-Fi. Finally, try limiting network traffic while you're uploading files. If you have multiple devices connected to your network, they could be competing for bandwidth. So, while uploading, you might want to disconnect other devices temporarily to ensure that your uploads have as much bandwidth as possible. By following these steps, you should see a noticeable improvement in your Google Drive upload and download speeds. Thanks for watching, and I hope these tips help you manage your files more effectively. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful videos.